solving a system of linear equations of the form y equals mx plus b, example 1. So we're asked to solve the system of equations, and both of our equations in this system are in y equals form. So when we have an equation, right, y equals 4x plus 25 or y equals 9x, that just means if these two expressions, the y and the 9x, are equal to each other, then they are, we can use them and they're interchangeable, right? We can substitute them in one for the other into other equations. So basically what I'm going to do here is take the 9x and I'm going to substitute it into the other equation right there for the y, so that I have just one equation in one variable, x. So this is going to look like this. I'll have, instead of y, I'm putting 9x on the left side of the equation, and then on the right side I have 4x plus 25. And then I can just solve this equation for x. So since I have variable terms on both sides, I need to zero out one of those terms and then balance the equation by doing the same operation on the other side. So I zeroed out the 4x term on the right, and then when I simplify, I'm left with 5x equals 25. Then I'm going to divide my coefficient and simplify again, so x is equal to 5. So I have a value for x, okay? So I'm halfway done with my solution. I have the x number. Now I need the y value, the other half of my solution, or the other part to my coordinate pair there. So I'm just going to pick either one of these. Doesn't really matter which one. I'm going to use this one because it just looks easier. So y equals 9x. And now I'm going to make my second substitution. So now that I know, or I have, an x value, I'm going to take that 5 and substitute it in over there to figure out what y is. So I'll have y equals 9, and instead of x, I'm going to put 5, and then just simplify. So 9 times 5 is 45, and there's the y value for my solution. So the solution to my system is the coordinate pair 5, 45.